no meeting, right?
No, Pradeep.
Was there a meeting?
There was a meeting. The meeting was.
No, meeting is not the point, Pradeep.
There was a meeting.
You will understand. When I, as the national spokesperson of the BJP, I make it very clear. Meetings happen all the time. But Sushant's family has to get justice. India has to get justice. Journalists who have been working day and night to pursue this dream of ensuring justice have to be given justice by our party.
This is an important point being made, viewers, on breaking news on this channel right now, where the national spokesperson of the BJP officially denies any quote-unquote deal on the SSR case with the Shiv Sena. This is significant. There is no deal, he says. MR wants to come into the debate. Now, MR, will the pseudo-journalists who said that Sushant is not a real issue, the same pseudo-fools, the same shallow pseudo-journalists who said Sushant was not a big actor, the same pseudos from the TV Yesterday network, will they eat their words? Now that the case seems to be at least moving in the correct direction, MR, let's reopen the debate. MR is on the debate with Ketan. Ketan is on the back foot this evening.
Yes.
Yes, Shilpi Jain, Raj Kamal, Sameer Singh, feel free to come in. Yes, please. MR is on the debate. MR and Ketan, go on.
Arnab, I think we must. Arnab, I think I should congratulate Gauravji for a categorical explanation. Though whatever it is, I must say that there were a lot of apprehensions amongst my friends in Maharashtra that a 2-hour meeting took place between Shri Fadnavis and Shri Raut. But be that as it may, that the categorical assertion of certain denial has come back. I think we should leave it at that and hope and pray. And let us also tell Gauravji, please understand that you can make governments, you can walk out of governments,
this is
you can
too
have
big
your
an
own
issue.
arrangements. Plus, please don't make Sushant Singh a leverage point. Yes,
I think
it's too big an issue.
Too big an issue. Too mass an issue. Gaurav is responding.
In this case.
Gaurav is responding.
We will take it in the right earnest. We will take it in the right earnest. But the point is that the CBI said that we are.
Thank you,
the CBI said that we are going to expand the probe. So there is nothing new. There is nothing. Yes, there is nothing new that the CBI said. The Supreme Court entrusted the investigation to CBI because it had to expand the probe. Because it alleged that Mumbai police did an incomplete probe. Because Mumbai police just did an inquest. And hence it was entrusted to CBI.
What you need to recognize, my friend Ketan, let me give you unsolicited advice. What you need to recognize, when I began my program, and I don't know if you heard me there, Ishkaran and Savio can emphasize that point, that I spoke about investigative journalism. And I feel that to call investigative journalism a media circus, is not just a tragedy, but it reflects the mindset of people. 106 days after Sushant's death, Ishkaran, today the CBI, after a massive media-led public campaign, says it could even be murder. I've not ruled it out. It's a major issue. We need to spend some time talking about it. We need to introspect. People who went to the court need to introspect, and they need to go and tell themselves that they were wrong. They tried to color this campaign. Ishkaran.